Okay, sometimes guys, I'm telling you, ain't nobody got time. You want to look cute and you want to look put together. You know, maybe you're going to the office or maybe you're going to school or just wherever and you want to look cute. But then you think about those 30-45 minutes that you might need to do your face bit, and you're like, no. So today I'm gonna be sharing with you guys a really quick 5-minute routine that you guys can be using for those days when you really don't have time. So let's start with face. Now for face, you can use one of two things. You could either go in with your foundation or you can go in with a BB cream, whichever it is that you prefer, or it also depends on the kind of look that you're going for. So if you want something more, you know, natural, that no makeup look, then a BB cream is a good way to go. But if you still want that coverage, or maybe you have acne and you want to cover it up, then foundation is a good bet for you. Now before you go in with your BB cream or your foundation, I suggest using a primer. Just helps your foundation or your BB cream go on much smoother. But this is not a necessary step. Like if you're really late, then just put on your moisturizer as usual, and that can act as your base. It can act as your primer. But this just takes you like 30 seconds to apply and you're done. So now I'm going in with my foundation. This is the Revlon Colorstay one. A fave, forever a fave. And I'm just gonna buff that into the skin with my brush. I have another quick tip for you guys in case you're like super in a rush there and you don't have a BB cream. Then what you can do is actually put a few drops of your foundation and mix it in with your moisturizer and literally just apply it on your face just to get, you know, some sort of coverage. Okay guys, the next thing is powder. Especially if you have oily skin, I highly suggest you set your foundation. If you have dry skin, you can get away with it and move on to the next step. But for my oily skin sisters, you have to definitely set that foundation so that it can last all day. We're busy, we're trying to make some money out here. We don't have time to be touching up our makeup. So let's lock it in once and for all in the morning. Okay guys, we're already looking pretty good. So the next thing is the brows. Now brows can really make you look like you've taken a lot of time into your look, put a lot of effort into your look, and they really just help like shape your face. So in fact, if you don't even do like the foundation and the powder and do brows and lips, girl, you'll be good to go. So for people who've been doing their brows for some time, it's like they're practicing every day, so it's really easy for them to whip up a good brow in like 2 minutes or less. So the more you do your brows, the better you'll become at it, and the shorter the time you'll take. I'm gonna clean them up quite quickly with the foundation I've just used on my face. That's taken me like a minute and a half. Are the brows perfect? Probably not, but are they better than they looked before this? Yeah, so that's a win. So the next thing is going to be the lashes. I don't bother with eyeshadow in a hurry, and I feel like many people don't. It's just, it will take too much time. So what I'm gonna go in with is mascara, because I feel like a good mascara on your lashes could really take your basic 5-minute look to the next level, and it doesn't take long to apply. So whatever mascara you love, use it. If it's volumizing, use it. If it's lengthening, like this one of mine, use it. Voila! The look has really come together. And the last and final thing is lipstick. Now, if you didn't have time but you wanted to look glamorous, then you could go for like a super bold lipstick, because everything else we've done is basic because we didn't have time. So you could go for like a popping red, or just yeah, something really popping. But if it's something that you're doing for every day, it's just your office look and you prefer to sleep a little bit more in the morning than do your makeup, then just throw on a clear gloss or a nude lipstick. I'm gonna go with a nude lipstick and then go over it with a gloss. This is the Hues and Tones lipstick in the shade So Me. When I pair it with gloss, it's just divine. Now I'm quickly going to just set that so that, again, we don't have time to be touching up. We're busy, you know, securing the bag. So spray your setting spray so that your makeup lasts in place all day long. And voila, we're done. This definitely took me less than 5 minutes. It's just that, you know, I was explaining, so the video itself might not be 5 minutes. But if I was doing it in reality, it would take me less than 5 minutes. It's a very simple look. You could wear this to the office every day. You could wear this to school every day, you know, just to look put together and to look like you put in some effort into your look, even if it just took you 5 minutes. Comment down below with what you guys, your routine when you're late, when you just have 5 minutes, what do you usually do to your face to look cute? Comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Of course, don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.